Okay, so I thought this was skeptical, but yeah, this is a random video I just feel like doing. Okay, so y'all can comment whatever you want. You know this is a gaming channel, but sometimes I put some randomness up on here. All right, but when this is what a can opener, yay! Right now, growing up, everybody told me put the blade down here and spin. Right? Oh, that's how you use a can opener. Because you realize, but the more you use it, then it starts getting stuck when you're going around the can and everything else. And you know what? Then you think, I need to buy a new one. No, the blade goes here. So we're gonna lay this flat, like so. Pinch this sucker, and then spin. And oh my goodness, it does not get stuck. It just keeps going and going and going and going and going and going. And guess what? Can't open. Right? Flat. That's how you properly use a can opener. Can opener. Right? That's it. Any questions? Feel free to ask.